Photobucket is a registered trademark of Fox Interactive Media Incorporated, and I am in no way affiliated with Fox Interactive Media Incorporated. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to link your photos and videos to other sites from Photobucket.com. If you come down to a photo, you'll notice that below each photo, or even videos and slideshows, there's some links below it. You've got 4 different ones you can choose from here. If you click to the right of this on the actual address, that's automatically going to copy it. As you can see, if I click, it says copied. The first one is email and IM. If you want to copy this and paste it to an email or an instant message, you can do so like that. You can also select a direct link, and you've also got your HTML code. You can use this if you want to link to an actual website. If you're building a website, that's the HTML that you can use, and this is extremely helpful if you want to build a website but you don't have a lot of space. You can use Photobucket as a place to upload your photos there, and you can also use it in MySpace and such things if you have a Facebook account. Below that, you've got your image code, and if you copy that, you can paste this into forums or bulletin boards and things like that. Also, if you click on the customize links right here, if you don't see any of these, you can come down and you might want to make sure that you have these checked. You can also hide some of these as well if you're going to be doing a lot of this. I'm going to uncheck all of these, but HTML code, and click on save. And when I do, you'll see that only that one that I have checked is going to appear. But like I said, all you have to do to copy this code is click on it, and then you go to whatever site or bulletin board, whatever it is you want to paste to, and just paste it directly in there. So that's how you link your photos from Photobucket to other sites.